Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Indian Economic class. Today's class is Block 2, Unit 6, Occupational Structure is the topic. The objective of this particular unit, occupational structure, is we have to understand and analyze the occupational structure in India. In this particular unit, we are going to study what is the occupational structure in India and what are the features of Indian occupational structure, mainly the predominance of agriculture sector and growing regional variation. These two are analyzed in an elaborated manner. The occupational structure of a nation refers to the percentage of its workforce employed in various economic ventures. To put in other words, articulating the number of total working population employed in agriculture and associated activities, and a number of them involved in manufacturing and service sector can be identified from the occupational structure of that particular nation. So this will give a better idea to frame the policy or scheme by Government of India. First, we will start with occupational structure in colonial India. During the colonial period, the occupational structure of India, that is the allocation of work people across the various industries and other sectors, explicated there is a small hint in the change. The agriculture sector valued for the highest share of workforce, which normally provide nearly 70 to 75%, while the manufacturing and service sector estimated maximum of 10 to 15%. For service, it is up to 20% sequentially. Another outstanding perspective was the growing geographical variation. Because of the variation in geography, the workforce is keep on changing. Part of Madras Presidency, including the area of present-day Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, this is called Madras Presidency. In that time, it was occupational structure in this particular presidency is predominant. Apart from that, Bombay and Bengal are observed a drop of dependence of workforce on the agriculture sector with a corresponding increase in the production. And of course, some changes is happened in the manufacturing sector and the service sector. However, there was an increase in the share of workforce in agriculture during the same time in the state of Rajasthan, Odisha and Punjab. So this is the status of organizational structure in colonial India. Now let us see the features of organizational structure. The features of Indian occupational structure can be explained in two subheadings. The first one is predominance of agriculture sector. The second one is growing regional variation. Based on these two, we are going to list out the features of occupational structure. First, let us start with the predominance of agriculture sector. Why agriculture is predominant? Because the agriculture was the principal source of occupation as far as India is concerned. Nearly 75% of the population was engaged in agriculture, resulting in backwardness of Indian economy at the time of India's independence. Nearly 3/4 of the workforce are engaging in agriculture sector. Then the manufacturing sector and service sector accounted only 10% and 15 to 20% respectively. So the growth of all three sectors is not balanced. That is why the occupational structure is dominated by agriculture sector. That is why the heading is predominance of agriculture sector. Then the other way, the growing regional variation. The states like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and West Bengal, these states witness a shift of dependence of workforce from agriculture sector to manufacturing sector and service sector. Because in these states, people are migrating from rural and agriculture side to the urban side. However, there had been an increase in share of workforce in the agriculture during the same period in state of Odisha and Rajasthan. Of course, the Punjab is one of the state which give more contribution for agriculture. Here we can expect one section B question. This unit is very simple one, but confirmed question will be there. So the occupational structure of India, explain the organization of India means they can ask in section B only. There is no possibility of asking section A or section C. So what we learn in this particular unit is what is the organizational structure in colonial India. There is a possible section B question is possible. And occupation structure of agro-based economy, they may ask like that. And one more question last time they asked is regional and cultural variation. Explain regional and cultural variation in terms of occupational structure. The key word is only one, it is occupational structure only. This unit is very simple, but still it gains its importance because this occupational structure only decides what type of policy that we are going to adapt. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can post the comment. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.